So I'm here in Nkwashi Estate on the day, a historic day for the United Kingdom, the coronation of King Charles III and Queen Camilla. And we're here in Zambia celebrating the day that's taking place in a very unique way. We know that the King has passions for youth, for community, for diversity, for sustainability. And those are all passions and themes of today's event here in Nkwashi. First thing this morning, I met some of the school children who the Nkwashi Estate have been working very closely with to support, including today's event, raising funds for a new school building for them. I've been out on the water enjoying some of the canoe sprints in a beautiful location, and it's been a real challenge facing up to some of the other Commonwealth teams, some of the businesses here. I think I'm going to challenge later with a couple of the ministers who are here as well. And overall, this is a real celebration of the coronation, but also about UK and Zambia relations. The strong ties between our two nations reflected here in the passion, the fun, the energy, and the enjoyment which we're all bringing to this occasion today.